I'm Patrick Bass. I'm the CEO for Thyssenkrupp North America. So one of the things I like to liken the IoT journey to is an ERP journey. In fact, I consider IoT to be the next generation of ERP. ERP was 10, 15 years ago an end-to-end integration of business process with digital and interface and how work streams came together. It's a rewarding exercise when you get it right, when you go through it, but even when you get it right, it's painful because it's a lot of change in the company and it's a lot of standardization of process and integration of that process. IoT is the exact same scenario. It's a journey that you have to go through with a significant change management activity, a communication strategy along that change management, and you're talking about now this data is going to derive intelligence that will result in you changing behaviors, just like an ERP did. And in the elevator industry, because it's a service-based industry, the business case is quite straightforward. If you can go in and eliminate one unscheduled visit per elevator per year, that's a significant dollar return. So if you consider a mature labor market such as the US, a single visit to an elevator, regardless of what you do, just the absolute bare minimum is a $300 cost. So imagine that across 1 million units, it adds up to a significant value. But from there, you have to again build this customer value piece. And the customer value was quite straightforward to say, this is going to provide an improvement in uptime. Now, of course, we're down the journey. We've done our proof of concepts and our pilots, and we're ramping up now, connecting units more and more every day. And so, of course, the immediate request from the customers and from the media is saying, okay, you make this claim of increased uptime. What does that really mean? What does that result in? And we've went on record to commit to say that we've seen an increase or an improvement of uptime by 50%. And that's significant. You think about the disruption in a building and the cost to not only the building owner, but the cost to those companies leasing in that space from unproductive time. When we can improve that, and that basically increases traffic flow, it increases effectivity and efficiency for office space around the globe, it's very powerful.